minute, that's not something. Oh, hey guys, welcome to ReadySantiGo. I was searching for animals actually. So today we're gonna explore my entire garden. Don't forget to subscribe, yeah. So let's go on an adventure. Ready, Santi, go. Let me go there. Hey guys, the first animal we saw, and it's climbing that tree, then it disappeared. The first stop is our observation tower. Let's climb in it because I can see anything around my garden. Let's go and see. Now we can see the whole garden. Let's look and see. Wow. Is that a good t-shirt? Wow. So cool. So let's go down to see the iguana. Let's go. Ready, Santi, go. Wait a minute. Is that a... I guess we're gonna stay here forever. Oh my god, that's the name! What do? We have the two options. First, run. Second, sneak. Maybe we should do both. Let's do it. Let's go. Let's climb the tree, guys. And hi! Oof. Now we're safe from the love. For after. Now, let's see if there's something on the lake. Oh my god, that's an alligator! Let's go check it out if it's a real alligator or it's not an alligator. Let's go and see. Ready, Santi, go! So guys, let's go and see is it real or not. Oh my god, guys, it's really real. Maybe we should don't bite it because if they bite you, it hurts a lot. Yeah. Let's walk away first. Hey guys, can you see this mango? It's so big. Those animals are eating food. Oh, hi little animal. How are you doing today? Well, he's eating. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That's a good idea for me to stop. Join our snack, little fella. When he's eating, we can go and do something else. Follow me. Oh my god, I am charming. Let's grab a banana. And there's no banana? Oh, is that what I think it is? It's a snake. I'm gonna say something about snakes. They can eat animals and bugs. They're kind of strange, and their sounds are, that's already scary sounds. Maybe we should not go scared because I'm scared of snakes. Let's go. Hey guys, this is a avocado tree. How beautiful it is. This is the one do like what guacamole, right? It is cool. What was that? Sound like ow! Let's go check it out. Let's spot it. Oh, hey guys, it's a wolf. Look at it. Let me talk. Ow! Just for the animals. Let's go inside. why that happens. Oh, look at this cocoa tree. Hey guys, this is the coconut tree where coconuts fall out and we grab it and we put coconut water. You see, that's another step to stay hydrated too. So let's keep walking. Oh, hi guys. I was just gonna get a drink because it's burning hot out there. I was sweating a lot. So let's get a drink. Oh, hi penguin, nice trick. We never saw that coming. They like to be in the cold because it's hot outside. So, hello penguin. Hey guys, can you see those bunch of holes? There's a woodpecker who the insect they get holes, then the insects get in, then the woodpecker lands back in the same hole, then it can eat the bugs. So that's what happens in our tree. Guys, we are done with our adventure. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah. See you later, alligator. Bye. Whoever said cats and dogs are enemies. They're not enemies. That's not true. They're friends, just like us.